Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today's video is about how to make a simple money oil which will be very effective. Okay, so please watch the video till the end. For this you will need a glass jar. You can use any old bottle also. Size of the bottle depends on how much oil you are preparing. Okay, and for the ingredients you will require cinnamon, star anise, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg. You will grate the nutmeg and take the grated nutmeg. Okay, this is allspice, which is also called in Hindi as kabab chini. It looks little bit like cloves. You can see the difference. Okay, so you will add this allspice also, and bay leaf. Bay leaf also you will break into pieces and add. This is thyme, basil, dry ginger. If you do not have dry ginger, you can use ginger powder also. Few coins. If you have old coins, you can use them also. In odd numbers you will use, that is 1, 3, 7, 9, and you will use a magnet. Okay, any small piece of magnet that you have, you will use that also. And for oil you will use olive oil. Okay, now these are the ingredients. How much amount you will add depends completely on your intuition. Okay, as per your intuition you will add these ingredients, and as I said, bay leaf and cinnamon and star anise you will just break them and add it. If you want, you can add it as it is. Okay, don't make powder of it, just add them as it is. And as you will add them, you will have to say affirmation, and before that you will take the glass jar and purify it with the fumes. Okay, you will burn an incense. And why? So that we need to remove any negative energy is there. If there in the bottle, you will remove that. Okay, so once it is purified, you will hold each ingredient in your hand one by one and say affirmations. Now what affirmation you say completely depends on you. You can say money, money come to me, money come to me, money, money come to me. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I love money. I love money. I love money. So you can say any affirmation 3 times, 5 times, 10 times. It's completely on your choice. So after you say the affirmations, you will add the ingredients in the jar. Okay, so each ingredient that you take, you will say the affirmations and then you will add it in the bottle. If I say for each ingredient, this video will become very long. So I'll say the next process what you have to do. So once you have added all the ingredients, you will take the oil, again say the affirmation and add the oil in it. Okay, once you add the oil, you will just mix all the ingredients, and as you mix, you will again say the affirmations. Okay, and after that you will take a green candle and burn it beside the bottle. Keep the jar open. If you do not have a green candle, you can use a white candle, and even if you don't have a white candle, you can use a small lamp, a diya like this, and place this bottle beside it. Okay, now once the candle is completely burned, you will close the lid of this jar and you will keep this bottle in your altar for a day. If you want, you can keep this bottle in your altar if you have space, or just keep it for 1 day in your altar and then you can keep it in any other safe place. Okay, now wherever you keep this bottle, after removing it from your altar, you will make one money energy circle. Okay, I have already made a video on that. You will make like this and you will keep the bottle on that energy circle. So this money oil will be regularly charged by that energy circle. Okay, so and You can make this oil any day. If you want to make it on any specific day, then you can make it on a new moon day. Okay. If you have any doubt about it, please write in the comment section. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.